One morning, my daughter came in my room and she was like, "Mom, I feel something in the left side of her chest." So I took her to the clinic and found out that she has a growing tumor on the left side of her chest. My daughter's situation drove me to think about, okay, what's my next step? How am I gonna help her through all this? And I just ended up saying, you know what, let me put my talent to its best. And I started cooking and posting it online for people to see and telling them what's the cause. And people supported by purchasing the food, even if they don't need it or want it. It pushed me towards wanting to build something for myself. And I got a phone call from a friend who told me that MCCAP and Fisheries is having this training program to help out the Fisher folks family, and I accepted. The program was for 6 months, and I did hospitality, which includes food preparation, and I did bartending and studied small business. While I was in the program, I made a big impression on people, and they gave me a scholarship to go to Taiwan. It was amazing because it was new. The way they would use a pot, the way they would serve the food, everything is just totally different. When I came back, I thought that it's so hard finding a job here in Belize. Why don't I create jobs for people? My new adventure is to open my own little catering and restaurant service. My kids are like so excited. They want to come help. From my experience, it is life-changing. You just have to set your mind to it. I see myself being a leader and an inspiration to a lot of younger people.